This video will alternate two propellers to compare the sound that they make. One propeller is the Emax Avon Scimitar 3.5 by 2.8 inches. The other propeller is designed and made by me. It is also 3.5 by 2.8 inches. They both have 3 blades. I want to clarify that I've chosen Emax because it is the quietest and best sounding 3.5 inch propeller currently on the market. In the following segment, the comparison will start, and in the top there's an indicator to see which segment you are listening to. The number 1 represents my custom propeller, and the number 2 represents the Emax propeller.